I seriously think I've cracked it. Do you see those waves? Do you see that hair?
Rewind to this viral reel of mine where I cried my lungs out on how curly girl routines were more disappointing than my ex's. Now this. I accidentally made a routine that works. Start with a hydrating shampoo. I use the L'Oreal Absolute Repair. It's a shampoo I've been using for more than 3 years. It's amazing. Then apply a deep conditioning hair mask, but listen carefully to this game-changing trick. Double masking. Leave your mask for about 30-40 minutes, rinse, and then apply it again for 5 more minutes. Not gonna lie, I discovered this method while filming hair care videos and doing those multiple retakes, and now I swear by it. After rinsing, towel dry with a microfiber towel, detangle with this wide-toothed comb, and scrunch to make these clumps. Last and final step, this soft hold gel from a Chota Indian brand, and bhai, I've never fallen so hard for a guy as much as I did for this curling gel. Take a time-sized amount, scrunch it in, invert dry your hair, and just watch your curls go from toxic red flags to actual red carpet. Juicy, defined, and sure to last longer than your ex because